How to change your legal name on your PayPal account. In order to change your legal name on PayPal, you want to first of all log in via a web browser. So it's better if you use a web browser. So go to paypal.com on your web page. So once you are logged into your PayPal account via your browser, so then this is where it's gonna take you out. Over here, what you want to do is tap onto the menu bar from the left hand side corner of the screen. There you could see your gear icon from the top left. Once again, you click open that up, you will be able to see your information here. So what you need is just simply go to this profile icon, click onto the pencil shape. You could actually click open the profile initials at the top right, and there it is, your name. You press open that settings section. Over here, you just want to make sure to verify once again, and you then need to go to your login and security section, or you want to go to contact info, and there you'll be able to find your name. So you just want to tap on change name next to your profile name. Choose a reason for your change, such as legal name change. Upload a clear photo of your valid ID, driver license, passport, or legal document, and follow the prompt to submit. A review that takes up to 3 to 5 business days, and that's how you'll be able to change your legal name on PayPal. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.